Hi everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. I'm just here today to stop in and let you guys know that I'm doing all right. I know I haven't been on in a few days and I've had a lot of people ask, where have you been? And everything is fine. I have just been doing some avocado dyeing. So for those of you who wanted to get a Valentine's pack and maybe didn't, I have a few loaded in my shop right now, and I'm still dyeing a few more. So I'm not going to have a big mass load. I think I may only have like 7 total in there. I think right now I have like 3 loaded, and as I get the other 4 done, I'll load them in the shops as well. So that Valentine's bundle is available if you haven't had a chance to get one. And I've also been working on a new digital. I'm close to being finished as far as the backgrounds. I still have some ephemera and stuff I want to do up, but I was just going to give you guys a little sneaky peek at kind of what I've been doing here. So these are some of the background pages that I'm doing. I'm kind of combining somewhat kind of like a friendship style uh, journal. You know, it's my version anyway. But like I said, I've been doing some botanical slash, I shouldn't even really say botanical. It's got flowers, it's got butterflies, it's got dragonflies in it. It's got some different colors in there other than just pink. There is a pink. But, and then I've got like some blues in there as well, and some lavenders, purples and stuff like that in there. So I'm still working on this kit, and that's kind of where I have been. Working on that and trying to get an avocado dye done. So once I get the Valentine's kits done, I will start doing some normal paper packs like before, and as I get them done, I will load them into the shop. So you'll be able to pick some of those up if you want. Also, kind of while I was doing some brewing, I did a couple little projects, not really even projects, really. They were more like, I know you guys have probably seen the Gail Augustinelli did, and I want to say I think she got it from Roxy at Roxy Creations maybe, but where she did some book pages, and then one side she just used her plain scraps and then used up some of her other scraps. So that's kind of what I did, a little bit of that. Not, I think it's like just an awesome idea to get rid of, some of your scraps because mine are building up again. So that's kind of what I did, made some journaling cards. I'll sew on them and have them ready to go for the next projects, which will be another journal. So I do have, I did start a little bit on a fairy journal, but I don't know if I will get it completed next because I promised my sister to do one that incorporates cats. She didn't want anything that's like cartoony, so it'll be a cat traveler's notebook style digital. I'm working on trying to make it more realistic, but still have that digital feel, but it not be like kitty kind of thing. So I'm still playing around with some ideas on that. So I got to get that moving too, because her birthday's in May, but I want to get it done before then. So I'll be probably working on 2 other digital kits in between the next journal and more avocado dyeing. So yeah, I've been kind of busy, but everything is fine. I haven't run away, I promise. I'm still here. You haven't gotten rid of me that quickly and that easily yet. So but anyways, guys, I just wanted to call it, or a call. Yeah, I guess it's kind of like a call, video call. Check in with you guys and just let you know everything's hunky-dory. And if you're looking for some paper, give me a couple days and that stuff will start getting loaded into the shop again. And I'll be back to do some more crafting. So until then, guys, plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings. Mwah. Bye, guys.